Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So I bet you're wondering what we're into today. Well, I have 2 rhubarb plants that I planted about 2 years ago, I think. The first year they did great. They got probably, I don't know, 1.5 feet tall, which isn't huge for a rhubarb plant. I've seen them get as large as probably 3 to 4 foot tall and very bushy and wide. So I thought, that's pretty good for its first year. Don't know how old the plant was. It was probably that big whenever I got them. Last year, it came up and it like immediately went to seed. So my rhubarb plants are not liking where they're at. So I am going to transplant them today. So whenever I first planted my rhubarb, I was told that they like a lot of water and they don't like it too hot. So I planted them right over here in between 2 of my grapevines, and they're kind of in a good area to where water runs off of the roof, so they would get tons of water. But I'm wondering if they're not getting too much water and not enough sun. So I am going to plant them on the other side of the house where it stays a little bit drier in a flower bed. So hopefully that'll help, and hopefully my rhubarb will take off. Come on, let's go dig them up. Okay, so as you could see, they dug up really easy. My dirt was loose over there, but it was very, very wet. So I don't know if that's what it was. I dug really big root balls because I wanted to make for sure I got all of the roots and I didn't break the main root, which I did, I think, break the main root, but you can separate rhubarb. So I think I'm going to be fine as far as that goes. If you don't know what rhubarb is, it's been used as, it can be used as a medicine. It's great for digestion and for the stomach, but most famously, I think around here, or at least where I used to live in Wisconsin, was strawberry rhubarb pies are amazing. And people used to fry rhubarb just by itself, add a little bit of sweetener, and it's got like a sweet and sour taste to it whenever you add it. So it's real popular up north. Ohio, it doesn't grow, or at least I'm told it doesn't grow as well here, so you got to get it in the right spot. So I'm hoping this is going to work for me. But it kind of looks like celery, and whenever it gets about 12 inches long, you cut off the outside stalks, and then it'll keep coming up for a couple months. And then you just chop it up and put it in your pies, or however you plan to use it. Tony had never had it before, so he really liked it whenever I did it the first year. And then last year we didn't really get much off of it because you want to cut it and use it before it flowers. If it flowers, it gets kind of a bitter taste to it. So I already dug my holes out here. So I'm just going to stick it in there, push my dirt around it. I am really hoping this works. I didn't add any additional fertilizer or anything. These beds already have it. Tony puts natural fertilizer on all of our beds at the beginning of the year. So I didn't add anything else. Hopefully I don't need to. I haven't read any special requirements for these or anything. So if you know anything, please put it in the comments below, or if you got suggestions on what might help me, let me know, because I really want these plants to survive. Get that grass out of there. Rhubarb plants are pretty expensive around here. They're normally like $12 a plant. And if you're buying rhubarb in the store, it's like $6.99 a pound. So I really want to be able to grow my own. This guy's not doing too bad. See, the celery looks like celery stalks. You just cut them off. You cut off the leaf and throw it away, and you use the stalk. Look at that nice rich dirt. These guys don't love this. I don't know what they will love. I also have a grapevine there and a grapevine there. Maybe I shouldn't be planting it next to grapevines. I don't know. You can also make rhubarb jam out of them. Strawberry rhubarb jam. All kinds of neat things. So, let's hope this takes off well. Alright, if you got any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification button just in case, so that you can see all of our upcoming videos. And I'll let you know how these go. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.